Hey everyone, I'm Alex and today we're going to be unboxing some equipment that's going to be available to University of Waterloo students at the Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business. Today we're going to be looking at the Sony E 50mm F1.8 lens for APS-C mirrorless cameras. So let's take a look at it. So this one also comes with a lens hood. Now if you don't use a lens hood, sometimes light will come in and hit the sides of your lens, which can create light flares but also reduce the amount of contrast in your image. So use a lens hood to keep your photos nicely saturated, and a bonus is that it often protects from damage. So this lens is for the Sony crop sensor, which means it's equivalent to a 75mm in full frame, which is an awesome focal length for portraits. It's also a prime lens, which means it has a fixed focal length, so it's very small and light. It's a 1.8 aperture, and you can stop down and change that, but keeping it at 1.8 will give you some nice bokeh. That's a nice blur that happens in the part that's kind of out of focus in your photo. It's awesome for video because it has linear autofocus, and it has the optical steady shot, which is up to 4 stops of image stabilization, and this means that you can shoot better in really any situation where you need a handheld stable shot. So there you have it, your Sony 50mm 1.8 OSS. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, and feel free to drop a question or a comment below. Thanks again for watching this video, and feel free to come by and check out this lens at the Stratford School of Interaction Design and Business.